Struggling to get more bookings? Let your guests do the talking on video. I'm going to share how to collect and use guest video testimonials that actually convert. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss the next episode. That could boost your bookings overnight. Have you ever wondered why some listings seem to book themselves? It's not just luck, it's trust. And one of the fastest ways to build trust is by letting your guests do the talking for you. Today's episode is all about using video testimonials that build credibility, humanize your brand, and the best part, increase bookings. Stick around to the end. I've got a tip that will help you collect powerful testimonials without sounding like a pushy salesperson. Why testimonials work even better than reviews. So let's kick off with this. Would you trust a stranger online with your holiday memories and credit card? Neither would your guests. That's why video testimonials work. They're authentic, personal, and visual. A triple win in the trust department. According to Expedia, 76% of travelers say user-generated content influences their booking decisions. That means real people, real smiles, and real experiences. And here's the magic formula. Guest face plus happy story plus your beautiful rental in the background equals conversion gold. Hey, you want more tips like this? Check out the Vacation Rental Resolutions podcast. When to ask for a testimonial? Timing is everything. Asking for a video testimonial too early is like proposing on the first date. So when is the best time to ask? The day before checkout, when the guest is still glowing from their stay, but not yet stressed with travel. Try this simple message. Hey Sarah, it's been a joy hosting you. If you loved your stay, would you mind sharing a 20-second video on your experience? It helps other travelers feel confident booking, and I'd really appreciate it. And here's a bonus tip. Give them an easy option. Record on their phone and text or email. Keep it casual. Make sure to check out the Vacation Rentals YouTube channel for more great ideas. So what makes a great video testimonial? Not all videos are created equal. A shaky 2-minute clip from someone mumbling in the dark? Not really helpful. Instead, guide your guests with a few friendly clues. What did you love most about your stay? What surprised you about the property? Would you recommend it to a friend? Keep it short. 30 to 60 seconds is the sweet spot. And if they need a little encouragement, share a few examples. Guests love seeing others like them enjoying your space. Now here's a pro tip from the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course. Include a QR code in your welcome book or checkout message that links to a simple testimonial request page. It's tech-savvy and non-intrusive. So where do you use your testimonials? Spoiler alert, everywhere. If you've got a gem of a video, now what? Use it on your booking platforms, Airbnb, Vrbo, etc., as part of your photos, Instagram stories or reels, your direct booking site, emails to past guests or new leads, your Google business profile. Hello, SEO boost. You might say, but I'm not techy. Well, you don't have to be. Apps like Canva and InShort make editing a breeze. Just trim, caption, and go. If you want your rental to stand out more online, make sure you visit our website, vacationrentalresolutions.com, for great ideas. But what if they just say no? Not everybody likes the camera, and that's okay. Other alternatives? A written review, an audio message, a photo with a caption. You can write it. They just approve. And always, always, always thank them. Even the decline means they considered it, which builds goodwill. Would you stay at your property? Let me flip the script. If you saw your own listing, would you feel confident booking it? If the answer is maybe, it's time to let your guests do the heavy lifting. Video testimonials bridge that trust gap. They give hesitant travelers a reason to click book now. Got a great guest story or video you're proud of? Share it in the comments. Now, here are your key takeaways. Ask guests the day before they check out. Keep videos 30 to 60 seconds. Suggest simple questions to answer. Share across all platforms. Use QR codes to make it easy. We started with a big question. Why do some listings seem to sell themselves? Well, now you know. Those hosts aren't lucky. They're smart. They're using social proof that speaks louder than any marketing copy. So go ahead. Ask for that video. Show the smiles, share the stories, and build the trust. Want to take things further? Check out the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course, which is great for both current and aspiring owners. It's packed with amazing information that every vacation rental owner needs to know. And if you like this episode, have a look at How to Make Your Vacation Rental Stand Out, Rise Above the Rest, Episode 9. It pairs perfectly with today's episode. You can find it on the Vacation Rental Resolutions website. Hit that subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode. And hey, if this helped you out, feel free to buy us a coffee.